Two suspects from Sacramento's mass shooting appeared in court today. Dandrae and Smiley Martin had their cases continued to the end of May. One of their lawyers tells reporter Madison Keavy they can't move forward until they see evidence from the state.
Davion Dawson not charged with crimes directly related to the shooting yet, but he was seen with a gun in the aftermath. He's one of 4 people who have been charged after the shooting. But unlike the others, he hasn't been named as a shooter by Sac police at this time. What we know, 6 people are dead and no murder charges have been filed. Of the 5 shooters Sac police believe were involved in the shooting, between at least 2 groups of men affiliated with street gangs, only 3 have been identified. The first to be charged within 48 hours, Dandrae Martin. He faces charges for assault with a firearm and being prohibited person in possession of a firearm. Next to be charged, his brother, Smiley Martin. He spent nearly a month hospitalized with gunshot wounds from that night, but is now in Sac County Jail on possession of a firearm by a prohibited person and possession of a machine gun that Sac PD told CBS 13 was a modified handgun. Then, nearly 2 weeks after the shooting, Matula Payton named as a 3rd shooter. He's not in custody, but faces multiple felony warrants, including an April 2nd domestic violence incident, on top of gun charges.
Well, it's always very difficult, especially as you wait without having reports. It's very difficult for everyone.
That's Dandrae Martin's lawyer this afternoon. The Martin brothers, both in court behind these doors, cameras not allowed. Their attorneys told CBS 13 and the court they haven't seen any evidence from the state. We've asked the DA's office about the protocol and why murder charges aren't on the list. In a statement, District Attorney Schubert's office called the investigation complex and, quote, as the investigation is ongoing, our ethical obligations as prosecutors prevent us from commenting on the evidence or the initial charging decisions.